Are you facing a Spotify Autoplay not working error on your Android or iPhone? If so, then this video guide will help you to fix the issue and your Spotify Autoplay will start working as usual. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check Autoplay settings. Ensure Autoplay feature is enabled on Spotify app. Follow the steps. First, launch the Spotify app, and click on the settings option. Now, move to the playback option. Here, check whether Autoplay is enabled or not. Method 2. Restart your phone. A simple restart of the device can also solve the issue on Spotify. Close the Spotify app completely and then restart your Android phone. After that, launch the app and check if the Autoplay feature is working or not. Method 3. Check your internet connection. An unstable or poor internet connection is yet another major reason for Spotify Autoplay feature not working error. Therefore, you should ensure your devices are getting proper internet without any problem. Method 4. Relog into Spotify app. Follow the steps. First, launch the Spotify app, click on Settings. Now, move down and click on Log Out. Next, restart your phone, and launch the Spotify app. After that, log into the app using your credentials. Method 5. Update Spotify app. Follow the steps. First, open Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. Now, search Spotify app and see if any update is available. Finally, tap on Update option and then check for the error is resolved or not. Method 6. Use different Spotify account. Follow the steps. First, log out from the account. Then, log into Spotify using another account of your friends or colleagues. Now, check if the Autoplay feature is working or not. Method 7. Delete cache of Spotify app. Here are the steps to follow. First, open Settings on phone and click on Apps. Now, look for the Spotify app and open it. Next, click on the Storage option, then Clear Cache. After that, tap on Clear Data option. Method 8. Check Spotify server status. In some cases, the app or its features do not work when there is a server outage. You can know the current status of the server by visiting the Down Detector website or its social media platform. Method 9. Reinstall Spotify app. Follow the steps. First, tap and hold Spotify icon unless menu occurs. From the menu, choose the Uninstall or Delete option. Now, open Google Play Store, search for Spotify app. Finally, tap on the Install option. Method 10. Contact Spotify support. Follow the steps. First, open official website to contact Spotify. Now, choose the device from which you are facing the error. Then, discuss the problem you are facing and then wait for their response.